Becoming an achiever is a journey that requires time, dedication, and hard work. Here are some tips and strategies that can help you become an achiever. Set clear goals. The first step in achieving anything is to set clear and specific goals. Your goals should be challenging but achievable and should be broken down into smaller, manageable steps. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. Embrace challenges and learn from your mistakes instead of giving up when things get difficult. Take action. Achievers don't just sit around waiting for things to happen, they take action. Start by identifying small steps you can take towards your goals and make a plan to execute them. Celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. Learn from others. Successful people are often willing to share their experiences and insights. Seek out mentors or role models who inspire you and learn from their successes and failures. Connect with other like-minded individuals who can support and encourage you on your journey. Stay disciplined and persistent. Achieving anything worthwhile takes time and effort. Stay disciplined and focused on your goals, even when things get tough. Be persistent and don't give up on your dreams. Remember that setbacks and failures are a natural part of the journey and can often lead to valuable learning experiences.